Hello, welcome to my classroom website. My name is Ms. Thibodeau, and I use this website to post updates for my classroom, some of my favorites, different documents and resources, and maybe some different lessons and my favorite ideas. So this is my homepage. At the bottom of my homepage, I have my tech blog, where I cover different resources and technology to use in classrooms. This is where I will post with that. And on the rest of my website, I have my technology projects. So this includes my different scavenger hunt and my Google Slides. I also have my PLE and my PLN. With different links to different resources and reflections. My digital story is on the history of LSU. It's a little video I created. This is my mobile app reflection, where I created instructions to use ClassTag. This is my website evaluation, basically where I evaluated a chosen website and told whether or not it was a good source. This is where you'll find my Apple Teacher certification, and eventually this is where I'll post my screencast. So I got Apple Teacher certified in iPad. This is where you'll find my favorites. So this is different websites that I like to look at and different games and resources for the classroom for my students to use. And under my resources tab, I have different resources that you can use in the classroom that I found very interesting for teaching. And this is my About Me page, and this is where you can find all of my information about why I teach, my experience in teaching, and about my personal life.